Hello, everyone. My opinion on this topic is, as we know, Chinese products are cheaper and more reasonable than Indian products. It is almost 10% to 70% lower than Indian goods. Chinese goods are coming in a range of low-cost goods to high-quality tech products, while Indian excels in specific areas like pharma, textiles, stones, and petroleum. In China, quality is provided as per the customer's need. If you want to pay more, then it also gives the quality of products. They produce low-cost, effective, and high-tech goods in the products like consumer electronics, toys, and home essentials. But if we go with durability and quality consciousness, then Indian goods are the best, but at a high cost. Conclusion: Indian goods are the best for durability and quality, but it is not the cost-effective, so it's challenging compared to Chinese goods. In global level, Chinese goods are more dominating, so rather than to stop them, gov work on ways to challenge the Chinese low cost. Effective products. Hello, based on my understanding, Chinese goods are currently more advanced than those from India. In the past, when China was in its early stages of development, it focused on producing low-cost, short-term, durable products. However, after years of experience, China is now able to offer higher quality products at competitive prices. China manufactures a wide range of primary and secondary products, whereas India typically imports primary products from China to create its own secondary products. China is far more advanced in terms of technology and economy. The extent of innovation which takes place in every sector in China is unimaginable when compared to India.